De ondas tu pecho arriba, las manos, caballo moreno, penetra tu barrio, te enseño.
Hello guys, how are you all? And today we are going to talk about a very simple topic, which is short stories, or the origin of short stories. A short story is a short fictional prose narrative. It usually has a single incident, a single plot, and deals with only a few characters. Edgar Allan Poe defined a short story as the one that can be read at one sitting of half an hour to 2 hours. It differs from an anecdote in its use of plot. As against a novel which generally deals with multiplicity of plots and characters, a short story usually concentrates on a single plot, conveyed in only one or a few significant episodes and scenes. The complete realistic form encourages economy of setting, concise narration, and the omission of a complex plot. The history of short story can be traced back to oral storytelling tradition. The art of storytelling perhaps rose out of human curiosity. Early human beings narrated tales of hunting or stories of gods and demons to one another. To aid himself in constructing or memorizing tales, the early storyteller often relied on stock phrases, fixed rhythms, and rhyme. Consequently, many of the oldest narratives in the world are in verse. Tales, fables, anecdotes, parables, etc. were thus transmitted by word of mouth from one generation to the next. Some of the earliest examples of such narratives are the Egyptian tales, the shipwrecked sailor, and the two brothers. And the famous Babylonian tales, the Epic of Gilgamesh, also considered as one of the earliest surviving epic poems. And the earliest narratives from India, like the Jataka tales, a collection of short stories of Buddha's earlier birth. And the Panchatantra tales, which deals with various activities of animals. These, along with the Aesop fables, stories in the Bible, and the tales from the Arabian Nights, are considered as the forerunners of the short stories. During the 2nd, 3rd, 4th century BC, the Hebrews first wrote down some of the narratives which are now a part of the Old Testament. Nearly all of the ancient tales were fundamentally didactic and presented an ideal for the readers to imitate. Another widely respected ancient form was the example, a short didactic tale usually intended to dramatize or otherwise inspire model behavior. In Europe, the oral storytelling tradition began to develop into written stories in the early 14th century, most notably with Geoffrey Chaucer's The Canterbury Tales and Giovanni Boccaccio's Decameron. Both of these books are composed of individual short stories having humorous anecdotes to well-crafted literary fiction. The short narrative also received its most refined treatment in the Middle Ages. Short story as a distinct literary art form began to be written in the early 19th century. The popularity and success of the short story can be attributed to the following factors: the rise of reading public, the increase in number of periodicals, widespread literacy, fast pace of the modern life. The first three factors contributed to the rise of the novel as a literary form in the 18th century. The novels in those days were lengthy and reading them took time. With the fast pace of life, people did not find time to read such long stories. Therefore, short stories became popular because one could read them in a short time while traveling or relaxing. The growth of print magazines, journals, and periodicals also created a demand for short fiction. So, the short story is a work of fiction that is usually written in narrative prose. It is often more pointed than longer works of fiction such as novels or epics. Short story writers use a combination of creative imagination, personal expression, and language skills to create a story. So I just presented a concept regarding short stories and how did this type of literary form of art come into literature. However, if you find this video useful, then please like this video and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon for notifications. I will try to upload another interesting and informative video shortly. A comment will be highly appreciated. Let's roll the outro.